Minecraft, but I can't touch the color yellow. Oh my god, guys, I just spawned and everything is yellow. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna fail the challenge. Oh my god! What's that? Oh my god, it's a ruined portal! Oh my god, guys! Look at this! It's so cool! That's awesome! Guys, we're going to the nether! Let's go! Oh my god, guys!
Lead us not into